Chickadee.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the other side, there's another one. That's a little black cat.
Takes us over the Cascades, down through the Warm Springs Reservation.
Boy, it's getting dark out there.
Yeah.
Drive south to Bend with the three sisters always watching over us as we go.
There was that chestnut-backed chickadee. Is that a black cat? Oh, I think it's a black cat.
Got black. Ooh. Needs some more water in there.
And who went on the suet? There we go. Here's some brown. That's chestnut-back.
Yeah, those guys.
Look at that. Can you see the video?
Bend is the largest city in Central Oregon.
Oh, wow. Holy cow.
Yeah, this has a lot of zoom on it.
Look at that.
During the pioneers' migration west, Bend was used as a
Yeah, those little chickadees and the nuthatch just love that suet.
Up and here's your Brewer's
I
Blackbird.
wish my little woodpecker had come up. Oh, there's the little blackbirds. The blackbirds.
Brewer's Blackbird. Come on, poke your head out, little dude.
Yeah, the feeder turned the wrong way. The feeder was actually the other way.
Let's see if I can ease up.
The female was right on the ground underneath him.
See, if I stay against the furniture, I'm part of the...
We think we got chickadees that are nesting.
Oh, there's your Towhee.
Huh?
Your spotted Towhee.
Oh yeah, they're up here all the time.
And who's this? Song Sparrow. And Chestnut-backed chickadee that did not focus. So you had a song sparrow up here coming in for some seed too.
That way?
Song sparrow coming in for seed? A song sparrow.
Oh,
It was hopping down and it was flying up over there on the floor along with now your golden crown sparrow.
and
And
what's your zoom?
this goes out to 1200 millimeters.
Holy cow.
Now look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. Nice looking Brewer's Blackbird.
Oop. Oh, he's down at the water. Oh, he's in the water. Well, he's out of the water. Oh, there's the female now, isn't it? In the feeder, right?
Yeah.
Hey, he's just standing in the water down there.
And your house finches. Is he gonna drink a little bit? Yeah, this is what I
He's
wanted.
taking
Get a bath again.
My gosh.
Well, he's got to look handsome for the females, you know. Yeah, let's see if I can find her. There she is, the female Brewer's Blackbird. And I'll post these on Facebook.